Hey guys, welcome back for another video. First thing we're going to want to do is open up Adobe Photoshop, and I will be showing you how to fix, like if you put together a panoramic image and you're missing part of the sky up above, like here behind me, if you're missing that, or if you're missing part of a scene down below, I will show you how to fill that in a pretty simple way. So open up Photoshop. Here we got a panoramic we've been working on. This just got put in here in my previous video. As you check my channel, you'll be able to see that one. And now we'll crop this one down. So we'll get rid of this bottom part that we don't need, okay? We'll just crop it down, let's say in here. And then the top, crop down a little bit, but not too much. And we'll just settle on right there. There, we got a nice pano image. However, as you can tell, it's not really filled in all the way. And over here, this might be an issue. So I would actually, if I were doing a longer video, I would take another photo that I have for this area right here where the magnifying glass is. Let me show you. This is actually a highway that goes out into the ocean. They built it like a horseshoe. But I would take the next set of photos I have and properly align them over here. For some reason, whenever the photos got taken, something moved and they didn't get properly aligned, but you could go in and manually do that. But I'm not going to take that much time today, so let me crop that just a tad more. Okay. Because the tool I'm going to show you today, actually I'll show you that. Because the tool I'm going to use today doesn't work for this type of object. Hopefully that makes sense. It'll work for a sky, it'll work for the bottom, like the dark scenes that I'm using right now, but it will not work for the top. So what you want to do to fill in the sky, go to here, grab your square rectangle marquee tool, and then you are going to select an area like this. Make sure you select a little bit of the picture, and then the rest of it, that white stuff there, or the other part. But I can't do it right now because what I need to do, I forgot one step. I need to go to layer and then merge layers. So now that all the layers are merged, now you can use that marquee tool. So you just come over here, select that like that, then go to fill. And then once you go to fill, you want to use content aware. So use content aware, just say okay. Next one we'll do close up, and then you see how that fills that in. Just really, really nice. Let's go look over here. Look at that. It tries matching the skies and everything also. So then if you get a little bit here where it doesn't know quite what it's doing, you can just go like this. Oops, actually I did that wrong. Go like this, start here. Because you want to get just enough to cover that. Then go fill, content aware. There you go. And now that area of the sky went from completely white like down here to nice and filled in. So super easy, guys. Content aware is an amazing tool from Adobe. So I'll go try and fill this one in. Then we'll give it something a little harder to do here in a minute. Fill that one in. And I'll show you why it doesn't work on the other scene. Or if you guys know how to get it to work on something like that, let me know. But as far as I know, it doesn't work on that other scene. So now this one might be a little more difficult, but maybe not. Let's see. I got that right there. Fill. Content aware. Okay, not bad, not bad. Fill this one. It can struggle a little bit sometimes in certain areas, so all you need to do is either undo it or just go back over it like I did right there and redo it. It's not a big deal by any means, or any stretch of the imagination. And then you guys can see what this photo will look like here once I'm done and have everything filled in. I'll show you before and after. So now you're probably interested to see, let's do this first. Go back to our zoom out here. Now we got this great big long section of the sky here, right? Look at that bugger. Now let's see how it handles something like that. Let's go here. Go like this. Fill. Content aware. Let's see how it handles all that. Check that out. Did that do a pretty good job or what? Yeah, it kind of copied it. So you got a little bit of doubles going on here. But for the most part, for a quick, easy way to fill in a skyline, I would say that does pretty darn decent. You could probably go in and blur some of that and change it around some more if you wanted to make it actually look better. But this is just kind of giving you a rough idea, a rough tutorial. Okay, so now this is what I'm going to talk about right here. Because there's so much detail and we as humans know what's going on with this scene, like we know these are lights that continue around roughly into a pattern. The content aware doesn't really know that. It doesn't know what's supposed to be in here. So watch. So if I just select this and come down here and say, okay, fill in all this messed up part that you did already. It's just going to guess and not really have any clue what it's doing. You see what I mean? So it continues this row of lights. It kind of draws from the background here, continues that. This row of lights, it just says, okay, it's going to go straight. Same with this one, it just kind of guesses the angle and says, yeah, they're going to continue this way. But we know that they actually kind of curve and loop around and connect up with each other. But for the most part, it did a pretty good job. This one here definitely needs to go. And same with this one in the sky. Like this is just not even, this here is not even close. So just re-go over that and see if that'll get rid of it. There we go. So now, let's see where we ended up as far as panoramic picture. There you go. Got the skies all filled in, got the bottom part filled in, everything else. So not too terrible. Not too terrible. That is content aware, and that is how to use it. That's one way to use it anyway. So hope you guys liked the video. Remember, favorite, like, share, and subscribe. I'm working on this just from my laptop using my Galaxy Earbud Pluses. Because I'm not at home right now, so all I have is my laptop and this to work with, so I do apologize if the audio quality is not very good. Plus, it's like 1 in the morning, and I'm starting to get tired. But, alright guys, thanks for watching. Favorite, like, share, and subscribe. stay tuned for more videos. Let me know what you want to see down in the comments, and I'll try and crank some videos out. So yeah, all right, guys, later.